Today, I'll show you how to add a smooth, slow zoom in or zoom out effect to your videos. This effect is great for creating cinematic movement and really enhancing your storytelling. First, import your video into VN and add it to the timeline. Tap on your clip to select it, and then from the bottom toolbar, look for the zoom option. Here you'll see two choices, zoom in and zoom out. If you pick zoom in, your video will slowly push toward the subject, creating that dramatic close-up feel. If you choose zoom out, the video will slowly pull away, making it perfect for creating distance or revealing more of the scene. By default, the zoom will apply evenly across the entire clip. But here's a tip. If you want a really smooth, slow zoom, make sure your clip is longer. The longer the clip, the more gradual the effect. And that's it. You've just learned how to add a slow zoom in or zoom out effect in VN Video Editor. Play around with both options to see which fits your project best. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more VN video editing tips.